Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. We've spied the Mercedes CLE testing before, but these new images show the BMW 4 Series convertible rival isn't too far away. A mid-size convertible Mercedes destined to replace convertible variants of the C-Class and E-Class. Auto Express understands the new model will be badged CLE, a nameplate the German brand has owned for a while but recently renewed its trademark for. Mercedes has preferred the use of a fabric roof in its convertibles of late, and the CLE will adhere to this design. The test car we've spotted sits on 15-spoke alloys and features a dual-exit exhaust system, suggesting it could be the AMG 43 version. At the front, we can see a similar headlight design to the latest C-Class, and the grills are also likely to mimic that car's as well. Unsurprisingly, there's a blanked-off section in the grille where a 3-pointed star will sit. At the rear, we can see 2 air ducts behind the rear wheels, a common design trait on current Mercedes models. Unlike the C-Class and E-Class, the rear number plate sits on the rear bumper rather than the boot lid. The Mercedes portfolio has reached a high of 50 vehicles in 2020, and brand executives have spoken in the past of a need to reduce complexity, especially with the rollout of the all-electric EQ range. Speaking earlier in the year, Mercedes research and development boss Markus Schaefer pointed to the brand's convertible offerings as being high-density, with the recently axed SLC, C-Class Cabriolet and E-Class Cabriolet all vying for space in a market that isn't a big moneymaker. However, Schaefer admitted that from a branding perspective the coupe and cabriolet models are important. For a premium car company such as Mercedes, being in this space lays down an important marker. "We want to focus on these models," he explained. "They have their niche and their purpose. That's why we are going to tailor exactly the right vehicle in this segment." There's more to come on the coupe and cabriolet side in this mid-segment, but it's going to take a little bit more time before we can speak about it. Before the new CLE arrives in 2023, the brand will reinvent the full-size SL as a sportier and more purposeful offering using a new platform developed by AMG. Technical details are unknown at this stage, and an unveiling of the CLE is some way off. There's still the new SL to come first, later in 2021. However, the CLE is likely to be based on the same MRA2 platform as the new C-Class and S-Class, rather than the SL's new AMG-designed architecture. The flexibility of MRA2 means that 4- and 6-cylinder power is possible, appealing to the CLE's likely buyer.